I woke up craving Bokomo Weet-bix and a muffin, so let's combine the two and see what happens. On the menu today, I am making banana Choc-Chip muffins using the new banana flavored Bokomo Weet-bix whole grain wheat biscuits. The full recipe for these muffins is on my caption, and don't worry, I have included all the measurements. If you know me, you know that I love bananas and I love chocolate. So to be able to find a recipe that encompasses both of them but is still whole grain and low in sugar is a total win. Mix all of your ingredients together, and once your batter is nice and smooth, put it into your muffin trays. Then pop it into the oven for 20 minutes at 180 degrees, and if a skewer comes out clean, you know your muffins are good and ready. Bokomo Weet-bix are high in fiber, and they are not just a breakfast cereal. They can be added to everyday treats like these for added nutritional benefits. Make yourself a warm cup of tea and enjoy your muffins. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.